Oh, I never even did the intro. It's your girl Onoriode E back at you again. Like, if you already didn't have a cocktail, it is Saturday, okay? I ain't have work yesterday and I don't have work tomorrow, so it's lit. Get your cocktail, sip with me while we do some play slay, you know? But I'm actually going out, so. This is a homemade Henny margarita and it's so good. So here I am, just brushing my eyebrows into place. And then I realize I'm ashy as hell. Why I still look so ashy? I promise you I put lotion on. I promise you I did. I know y'all not judging me by my ashy hands. But now I just moved on to tweezing my eyebrows because they definitely needed to be done. Taking my MAC 212 and my MAC Correct and Conceal palette in dark. Oh, NC 45. And I'm gonna carve out my brows. Sometimes I like to carve out my brows before I fill them in. Sometimes I go the other way around. Just depends on how I feel. So just try to be as neat as possible when you carving out your brows. You can create whatever shape you want, even if it's not your natural shape. And you can make your eyebrows longer, thicker, thinner. Really, you can do whatever you want. Makeup is like art, honestly. So have fun with it. I personally have to recreate my arch because my natural arch is like an ugly C. I hate it. So that's what I do, whether I fill in first or carve out first. Honestly, like, I could stop right here if I wanted to. But, you know, I'm going to fill them in just so that it could be even gradient. This looks really good. Now I'm going to fill it in. This is just a soft and defining auto eyebrow pencil, Good Hope Beauty. I got this from the beauty supply store, and it comes with like the brush and a dark brown pencil. I don't really invest in brow products because brows is all technique. So brush it again. This is really gonna help with blending the brow hairs and the brow pencil together. Go back with my MAC 212. At this point, I'm just focusing on cleaning up my brows, making sure I have the right shape that I want. After watching this video, I honestly don't really like how my brows turned out, but I guess I liked it then. I don't know. I don't know. I'll just be switching up. NYX Angel Veil for primer. Comparable to Dr. Brandt primer. Gonna take Tarte's Creaseless Concealer in Rich Honey and conceal my face. I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me in Cappuccino, I believe. Nope, in Mocha. And put this all over my face. And of course, I'm going to use my beauty blender, my damp beauty blender, which kind of sounds like it still got a little bit of soap in it. Look at that melt though. Still got more in my hand. Make sure you get them temples. Get the under face area. I hate when that's left out. Golden. Chocolate and golden. Chocolate and golden. Chocolate and golden. My Tarte Shape Tape in Deep. I'm gonna go into my Maybelline Fit Me Loose finishing powder in number 25, which is medium. Fit in one time. Then I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer in, I don't know, the dark brown. It doesn't have color on it. This shade. My Sedona Lace F3 brush and Jackie Aina palette. It's dark brown, and use that as my contour powder. Spring Sheen same brush that I used to contour. I just turned on the flat side. Smile. I don't know why I'm doing blush right now. Honestly, I don't. But it's pretty color. And that's not as dark as I want it, so I'm just gonna go in with this Black Radiance Raspberry blush. Just a little. Just to bring out, yeah, a little more color. Let's put on a little bit of eyeshadow. Take my MAC 224 and my e.l.f. Jackie Aina palette again, and I'm gonna go right in with that same dark brown that I used to contour. I'm gonna contour my eyes. I'm like, did something, but you ain't really do nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with Marzipan, and we're just gonna, ooh, honey, so much for not doing a lot. Now I really have to, wow, come on, see, like, why was that so pigmented? I just thought it was gonna be a little rose gold. Honey, it's a lot of rose gold. 224 and fix this part up. That was not, I never expected it. I was not expecting that to be so pigmented. I didn't even think I picked up that much, honestly. Go with Triple Fudge with my MAC 221. You can see I'm a rookie. I still gotta look at the brush. Triple Fudge, put that in my crease to deepen it. Oh yes, honey. I'm gonna make tiny circles with that in my crease. Back in with my 224 and blend this out. I'm gonna take some lash. My Black Duo from Sephora. I actually found that the key to lashes is putting a little bit of glue. There's no need to put hella glue. Like, oh, I want it to stay all night. No, less is more. Give it a little blow. Let's brush my lashes out. And boom, it's on there. Look at that lash though. Sitting. And then I just like press. Bam. I'm going to take my Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Topaz. And highlight, of course. My trusty, never left me, never had me dusty e.l.f. fan brush. $1. bought this when I was like 17, 18. I'm 25. It doesn't, like, no problems. It's not like, this brush is, it's a real one. There we go. There we go. That's all you need, honey. That's all you need. I don't want to be glowing OD out here. That's just not, it's not natural, you know. But people gonna like what they like, right? Ooh, I'm gonna need a straw after I do my lips. Night Moth. Riri Woo, of course. Oh, this is, honey. Hunty. Hunty. And me, I'm the type of girl who has to go, I have to go back and forth between liner and lipstick, liner and lipstick. I'm gonna take my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. Should I put lip gloss? No lip gloss. Lip gloss? No lip gloss. Little lip gloss? Let's see. This is NYX. This is the old school, if you really know about NYX. This is NYX Girls Gloss in True Red. Draw. I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Illuminating Mist and Set Spray. This is the best setting spray ever, hands down. No questions, no arguments. I don't care. This is it. Now that we've showered in that, let's move on to our wig. Excuse my deodorant. Okay. So I just gel my hair back with gel. Pop this bad boy on. Oh. Okay. This hair is curled from like a previous hairstyle. This is curled from like 2 months ago, honestly. Oh, we're gonna back it up. Back it up. And whip. I'm not giving y'all like Miss Quad right now. Miss Quad. This hair is from Ali Pearl on AliExpress. It was made into a wig by New York Tory. She resides in Delaware, but she does a really good job at making wigs. Her or Lay Batima, they make good wigs if you're in the New York City area and you're looking for a wig maker. Okay, I look grown. Like I just transformed. Like I look like grown. I'm gonna take my wand. This is a Remington curling wand. Press this down. Get it from around my ring light. Press it down. I hope y'all enjoying this place lay, honey. Now this curling process actually took a while. I had to edit it a lot. It's just so hard getting the curl that I wanted. I just wanted like a nice loose wave, you know, the loose wave bob. And it was really difficult for me to get both sides to look the exact same. I tried my best. Yeah, it took a while.
Most importantly, I had to use mousse to lay down the flyaways and get my part and everything looking good. Like I said, it just took so long. Yeah, it took a long time. So don't rush it. Just take your time. Get it exactly how you want it. Curl, finger it out. Curl, finger it out. Curl, finger it out. That's really what I did. Okay? Okay.
I'm gonna go get dressed and I'll be back to show you guys my final look.
Brunch. Ladies, let's get this right. You party with everybody in my DJ team. He's really gonna be like, what?